Okay, welcome everybody to the channel. This is my first video. I'm hoping all the audio and the footage and everything sounds good. We're going to be going to the post office today. Figured it'd be a good opportunity to show the experience of a beginner and the everyday experiences. Everyday experiences that we go through as beginners. Hopefully nothing too crazy happens. Gotta watch for cars. I've been seeing a lot of videos of, people getting into accidents and crashing on their motorcycle. And I think a lot of it has to do with the way people are driving and riding their motorcycles. I see people going like 180, 200 miles an hour. I mean, the higher the risk you put yourself in, the more likely something can go wrong. Maybe I'm just talking like that because I'm a beginner and I don't ever see myself doing something like that. But at the end of the day, it's all about the decisions that we make. Some things are unavoidable, but some things can be avoided. It just all depends on, it all depends on the person and what they choose to do. So hopefully this channel will grow. I don't know how much I'm going to be posting on here, but definitely got to stay focused. I feel like this helmet is really tight today. So we're going to go to UPS and we're going to go to USPS. Hopefully everything sounds good, because the microphone is literally right in front of my mouth. What in the world is that? It's hot today. It's hot but nice day. Alrighty. Here we go. Hopefully no stall outs. That would be very embarrassing. Look at these guys. They're gonna try to catch up and try to race, probably. Everybody wants to race when they see a motorcycle. I don't understand. Let me go, man. Let me ride. I'm doing my thing. I'm not, I'm doing my thing. I really hope those people don't try to come up and talk to me, because I really don't want to talk to anybody. Oh, look at this guy. I really don't want to talk to anybody. Just want to be left alone, ride around, do what I need to do. Hopefully this angle looks good. I hope the audio looks good. It's always cool to see another motorcyclist. This light always takes the longest. Oh boy, I see that little scooter thing coming up. That's pretty cool. That was a pretty cool little bike. Sounded pretty good. A little rice rocket. Sounded pretty good. Lots of motorcycles here in Florida. Ah, it smells really bad over here. What was that? What in the world was that? Something died over there. Like twice. My goodness. Whew. Alright, let's park right here, right in the front. And let's do this a little faster than last time, because I don't want to be here for too long, you know. Alright, hopefully this came out good. Just want to drop off some packages, you know. That's all I want to do. Drop off my packages and go. Go home. Well, I'll go home, but you know what I mean. Hopefully this will run smooth. Can't get my backpack open. It's embarrassing. Well.
No.
How are you? Awesome. Thank you so much. Alright, that was easy. Lighter backpack. That was good. Let's see if I can get my key. Now we're going to go down a little further to UPS. Okay, hopefully everything looks good. Kickstand should be up probably. Let's go. So, oh, by the way, this is a 2014 CBR500R. It has, when I bought it, it had like 3,000 or 6,000 miles on it. Yeah, like 3,700 maybe miles on it. Really low miles. It's a really good deal. forgot to close my backpack. That's a good idea. I did that. Alright. So this is my first ride. This is probably my furthest commute, distance-wise, from my house, officially. So it's pretty interesting. Test drove it a few times, but this is like my first time actually, you know. I want to give beginners, other beginner riders, the kind of first-hand experience of, I guess, things that happen. Hey, be a straight line from here all the way to UPS. What is that? For what? For what is all that? Doesn't sound good. I passed this guy. I wanna experience that again. That was too loud. Alright, now we gotta stay out of people's blind spots, that's for sure. Don't want to be in the blind spot. This camera isn't good. Alright. I think we're doing okay. We're almost there. Oh, I need to get over actually. Almost at UPS here. Oh, what was that? Didn't sound good. Now we're on neutral. That guy likes it, it's nice. It was nice to have a good compliment for stuff. Like a motorcycle that you just bought. And neutral. Huh. Skipped. That guy probably has a motorcycle. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun. A lot of people like motorcycles. Some people hate them. It's easy to commute. Cheaper on gas. Get around a lot faster everywhere. That was a little crazy. Be careful when the car's pulling in. Hopefully there's not a lot of people here in the UPS store. Oh, nice. Park right in front of the store. Make things easier for everybody. Kill switch. Put that up. Let's take this off. We just keep it up like that. Thank you, sir. Okay, that took a lot longer than I thought it would. It's really hot in there. Did not like that at all. I don't know why it took so long. I don't know why it's so hot in Florida. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Need some wind. Some air. It's too hot. Let's go. Whew, man, it was hot in there. I don't know why it was so hot in there, dude. Unbelievable. Like, they don't have any AC. Like, for real. Is this guy turning or what? Let's go. Literally like a sauna in there. Now you see this? This is crazy. Ooh. Ooh, that was a fast stop. Actually, you know what? Maybe we'll go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. I feel like this is, change the scenery a little bit, take a different route. I think I need to turn there, though. Yeah. I think I need to turn there. Make a U-turn. Oh, we know this is a Come on, y'all. Oops. That's embarrassing. Alrighty. A little bit calmer over here. Take a little easy. So yeah, I bought this motorcycle. I used to actually, the first motorcycle I had, was crazy, was a R1 that I did a lot of fixing up. I ended up not keeping it at the time. And that was like 7 years ago. Now we have a 500R, CBR 500R, 2014. It's a pretty comfortable bike, you know. It has some push and pull. It gets up there, you know, without having to use too much power, I would say. I think, honestly, for me, a 650 would be probably a little better, but I had a really good deal on this one. It was very clean, no accidents, clean title. A lot of the other ones I was looking at, they had a bunch of, you know, scratches. It was dropped, you know, suspicious activity, I would say. And I'm not about that. Not today. Okay, let's make this turn smoothly. Good. Always got to be a little more cautious. Intersections. Sometimes it's fun to just cruise around, you know. It's like a bicycle, but for bigger kids. Oh, cool. I feel like I need to lower the gear shifter. I feel like it's too high. I feel like I need to like really, my ankle needs to like really, my ankle, my foot needs to really like pick up just to like switch the gear. I don't, you know, I need to fix that. Yeah, at the same time, it's kind of hard to go slow on a motorcycle. You know, you're either like slowing down or you're pushing for it. It's hard to stay like in the middle like this at 4,000 or 5,000 RPM and not want to just keep pulling the throttle. Is a golf course. I would not want to live on a golf course. We actually saw a house here. See those houses over there? The guy said that every once in a while you get a golf ball that comes and hits your window and breaks it. And you know, you would think like the association or somebody would like pay for it. No, they said you gotta pay for it. I'm like, what? At least, you know, at least. Come on. It's not cool. Alright. Let's go. I don't know where we're going. I don't know why I pulled in here. Yeah, when you get to this and you're on the front, you don't want to be too close to that corner because these people come around really close. And you don't want to be, you know, in the middle of that. A lot of people don't, you know how to turn. All these lights are so long here in Florida, you know? Oh, and we're filming on the DJI Action 3. Testing out this thing also. Testing out this bad boy. Yeah, is there smoke coming out of this? I feel like I keep seeing like smoke. No smoke. Why would there be smoke? And not be good if there was smoke. Can't have that. Last time I was at this intersection, I almost saw accident here. Hey, I don't know what's going on there. Always at this intersection. Always like some drama that happens. don't know why that happens. Every time I really pull it, it like does that thing where it like loses gear or something like that. Not really sure what that's about. That's like a safety thing. Or what? I think I'm going to be replacing these mirrors. Hey guys, anyways, this is going to wrap it up. And hopefully you guys can you know, subscribe and help me grow this channel. I highly appreciate it. And let me know if there's any content that you guys want to see specifically. We'll try to make it happen.